Alpha descending 7,000.
Lufthansa 456 Heavy, SoCal approach. Caution wing triplets, join Charles at Heavy point 777.
Roger.
Lufthansa 866 Heavy, turn right 220, intercept runway 24 right, Lufthansa. Before 18 November Golf Alpha, you said you had the Delta in sight?
Yes, we do. Just
Heavy, turn right heading 160.
Right 160, Lufthansa 456 Heavy.
We'll see you, Lufthansa 456 Heavy on the turn.
0 Lufthansa 456, 24 right.
Lufthansa 456 Heavy, caution with turbines preceded by heavy Boeing 777, wind 2608, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Lufthansa 456 Heavy is clear to land 24 right.
Lufthansa 456 RP.
Yes, go ahead.
Lufthansa 456, that's a really pretty plane you have there. Welcome to LA, and we're going to give you a little water welcome here. And again, welcome to LA.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sounds great. That's the best Boeing can offer right now.
It definitely looks nice.
Oh, that's a great airplane.
That's 321, I come water tower, good point.
Push 33 Bravo, we come.
JetBlue 678, LA ground. Hold on the gate, I'll call you back.
Hold on the gate, 678. Ground Southwest, 1036, we're clear at 24 left for gate 4 Bravo today.
1036 over ground, taxi Echo Romeo Delta to the gate.
Echo Romeo Delta to the gate, thank you, Southwest 1036.
Seabird 282, everybody start to push.
222, just got a flat pitch of ground crew, so we're not expecting any major delays.
332, take it.
Expecting to push in the next 1 or 2 minutes.
Roger. JetBlue 678, wait for Virgin America to pass behind you, then push on Delta Tel East.
Delta Tel East behind Virgin America, JetBlue 678.
The velocity 345, heavy LA ground.
Hey, 6 for today, that's kind of what my
What's the fastest it can go?
it's 9-0, about 4.7.
Okay.
Southwest 796.
So 90 runway 2 left, taxi to the concrete pad, everybody is golf.
It's golf taxi to the pad 24 left, Southwest 796. Leave at 32 heavy taxi.
For 32 heavy, runway 2 left, taxi via Echo, and are you fully ready for departure?
25 Echo and affirmative 020.
Lufthansa 457 heavy, hold short of Delta 8.
Delta 4 Western ready, hold short Delta 8.
5446 Boston Sharon, at Fisher, cross 6 left, and 2 point down the north over that mountain. On the 457 heavy, contact critical parts. Chapter, 456, right?